Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Bits Bank. Hope everybody is doing great. And today we'll be discussing SSC CHSL previous year's MCQs asked in Indian polity. And this is the part 1 of the video. And friends, you can also follow us on Instagram with the username Exam Bits Bank. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, could you please subscribe our channel for more videos and updates. So without wasting time, let's start with the question number 1. The national anthem was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on. The options are 24th May 1949, 24th November 1949, 24th Jan 1950, 24th June 1950. And the answer for this question is option C, 24th Jan 1950. So India adopted our national anthem, nothing but Jana Gana Mana, which was written by Rabindranath Tagore, and it was sung for the first time on December 27, 1911. Point to be noted here. So it was sung for the first time on December 27, 1911 as the country's official national anthem. Moving on to next question. Who among the following is the chairman of Planning Commission? The options are Defense Minister, Attorney General, Prime Minister and Finance Minister. And the answer for this question is Prime Minister. So Prime Minister is the chairman of Planning Commission, and a point to be noted here is Planning Commission is a non-statutory body which was formed in the year 1950 after the independence. But however, the Planning Commission has been replaced by Niti Aayog, and the Niti Aayog was formed on 1st Jan 2015. Moving on to next question. The Article 343 of the Indian Constitution is about number of seats for the Lok Sabha or seats for Rajya Sabha, or Hindi as official language, or special status to Kashmir. The answer for this question is Hindi as official language, option C. So the Article 343 of Indian Constitution says that the official language of the Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. Moving on to next question. Republic means ultimate power is held by. The options are monarch, the people, the winning party or the ministers. The answer for this question is people, option B. So republic means nothing but ultimate power is held by people and elected representatives. And one more thing I would like to highlight here is India or USA are the example of republic country. Moving on to next question. Urdu is the official language of Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir. So the answer for this question is Jammu and Kashmir. So Urdu is the official language of Jammu and Kashmir. And we know that 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with official languages of India. Point to be noted. So moving on to next question. Bengali is the official language of Uttarakhand, Tripura, Kerala, Chhattisgarh. The answer for this question is option B, Tripura. So Bengali is the official language of Tripura, and other than Tripura, this is the official language of West Bengal. By the name itself, we can say the Bengali, the official language of West Bengal. Moving on to next question. Who was the first female governor of India? The options are Kamala Nehru, Madam Bikaji Kama, Sarojini Naidu or Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. The answer for this question is Sarojini Naidu. Moving on to next question. Who generally presents the budget in India Parliament? Options are RBI Governor, Budget Minister, Finance Minister or Finance Secretary. The answer for this question is Finance Minister. So Finance Minister presents the finance budget in Indian Parliament, and it is presented on 1st of every February in Lok Sabha by the Finance Minister, of course, and also it is tabled on Rajya Sabha for further discussions. Moving on to next question. The governor takes the oath of office from Chief Justice of High Court, Chief Justice of India, President of India, or Vice President of India. The answer for this question is Chief Justice of High Court. And one more thing you need to remember here is the governor is appointed by the president. Moving on to next question. Which fundamental right has been abolished by the 44th Amendment? The options are right to liberty, right to property, right to equality, or right to religion. The answer for this question is right to property. Moving on to next question. Silvassa is the capital city of. The options are Assam, Chhattisgarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Telangana. And the answer for this question is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Silvassa is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Varli is the language spoken here. A point to be noted. In Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Varli is the language spoken here. Moving on to next question. The Election Commission is established under which article? The options are Article 355 or 256, 324 or 320. The answer for this question is Article 324, option C. So the Election Commission of India is nothing but it is an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administering election process to Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha or state legislatures, and even the offices of President and Vice President in India. So moving on to next question. How many schedules does the Indian Constitution have? 6, 12, 18, 24. And the answer for this question is 12 schedules. So ours is the world's lengthiest written constitution, which had 395 articles and 22 parts and 8 schedules at the time of commencement. But now at present we have 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules. And if we speak about the amendments, we are having 104 amendments as on Jan 25th, 2020. So moving on to next question. The power to grant pardons or suspend or remit the sentence of any convicted persons is vested in. Options are President, Vice President, Supreme Court, Defense Minister. The answer for this question is President. Moving on to next question. Who elects the members of Rajya Sabha? The options are elected members of Legislative Council or the people, or elected members of Legislative Assembly or Lok Sabha. The answer for this question is option C, elected members of Legislative Assembly. And one more thing you need to remember is President appoints 12 members to Rajya Sabha who are experts in field of art, science, social service, etc. So members are elected for a period of 6 years and 1/3 of the members retire for every 2 years. A point to be noted regarding Rajya Sabha. Moving on to next question. Which article specifies the fundamental duties of every citizen? The options are Article 80, Article 343, Article 51A, Article 356. And the answer for this question is Article 51A. A point to be noted here is the fundamental duties comes under Part 4A, Article 51A. And currently there are 11 fundamental duties. Moving on to next question. Under which article is the Union Public Service Commission UPSC of India established? The options are Article 315, Article 250, 300 or 52. And the answer for this question is Article 315. So that's it guys from part 1. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. And please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that You get an update notification when we post a new one. Thank you. Take care.